Well, hello everybody. Rambo here, coming to you from JEDIOSHI Training, and just want to give you a quick Bitcoin update. We're looking at in a cryptocurrency market and a few things. It's Friday, December 17th. We're having a little bit of fun here. Wearing the Shebit sweatshirt, watching both equities and Bitcoin together. Exhibit A, guys. If you don't believe yet that equities and Bitcoin track, look at my Exhibit A right here. 8:30 on the open. Had a sell-off in equities, drove Bitcoin down in a big red candle here. This is the 5-minute chart, so it's a little bit super micro here, but sell-off on the equities at 8:30 open, down to a Bitcoin bottom coinciding with an equities bottom, and here we are recovering a little bit. So again, that's why I watch equities so much, is because I believe that they are strongly correlated and that we will continue to see strength and weakness play out together in these markets as we move forward. Just wanted to make a quick video here today to show you on the 1 hour. We're still ranging in this sideways range, correcting for probably day, I don't know, 15 or so since December 4th. Still in the range this morning. That red candle action was a little bit concerning. We did pierce below this old wick high, or this old wick low on the 13th, and as we were watching our RSI levels, we dropped a little bit below this bottom here. We wicked down. We didn't close below it, and we saw some recovery in both equities and Bitcoin. So, like we've been saying, until we resolve this area, this range, one way or the other, at least in the short term, it's not gonna tell us much. This is all pretty much chop until we get out of it and we can establish a trend. As we know on the daily, we're still here. The prevailing market direction is we're in the red zone. Bears are in control, and although we have come up on this RSI line and we do see some divergence here, we see some strength on the RSI, we have broken this line. That's not entirely significant to me. If we do see a break below the 31 level again on the daily RSI, it's not the end of the world. We could come down here as long as we have here we hold 24 or 25. This still has the opportunity for higher lows. But really, until we resolve this overarching trend on price, for me, the bears remain in control. So we'll treat it as such. The last thing I want to show you, and this will be a really quick video for today, but as we go into this weekend, and we'll be working on this together in the JEDIOSHI Training Center, but I wanted to show you I wanted to take a look at the weekly Bitcoin chart. One level that does play, and I'm not a huge MA guy, but on the weekly, the 50 is pretty significant, at least for me. We zoom back into the July time period. We did have a candle close below this, and we did have a wick down below this. That was a signal to a lot of traders that we were going to break down, but we did resolve it above, and we saw the bulls take over and march and make a higher high. This higher high was on lower RSI on the grand scheme, and we currently sit below the 50 and down in this corrective territory. The level on the MA, back to the MA, the level I'm looking at is this 50 MA, is the 50, and that right now is at 47.7. So we would like to see the bulls take it at least up to 47.7 for the close on the weekly, which happens in about just over 48 hours. So the bulls have 2 more days to try to push this above that level to kind of save it, if you will, and we get our relief rally. If not, if this breaks down, then I think in the near term, at least for a week or two, you could see continued bears in control, downward movement, maybe down to this old pivot high here, or this old pivot high here. So maybe down to 43, or maybe down to 39. And as you've seen us show in the past, we may get a flush down and then a relief rally, or we may break down. Just something to keep your eye on as we go into the weekend. And I believe that is all I had for today. I hope you all have a great Friday, and I hope you're taking complete control over your trading. That's what we do at JEDIOSHI, and taking personal responsibility for your trades, your view of the market, and your portfolio. So have a great day today, and until next time, we will catch you later. Bye-bye.